Hello and welcome to Heritage Builders. This is Darren, and I'll just give you a quick update on the Benjamin project. It's out here in Mustang Ridge in Marble Falls, and the Stucco guys were over here yesterday and they've put their scratch coat on. We got sheetrockers going on inside. We'll take a peek in there and give you a quick update on that also. So as you can see, the sheetrockers are doing their finish work. You see all the rounded corners that we put on. We primarily do rounded corners on everything unless it's a customer request not to do rounded corners. So he's coming along nicely. Hello. So I won't bore you with too much of the sheetrock finishing. There's nothing too exciting about it. Just making sure that we get everything done properly, get all the proper amount of coats put on, get all the corners and the rounded edges, where we asked him to put them. And right now he's doing a wonderful job. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to subscribe and like our page. We do appreciate that. Goodbye.